Okay, say goodbye. Make an exit with a bang. Isa lang talaga ang reklamo ko ngayon sa Batang Quiapo. Hindi na ako pwedeng pumunta ng mall na walang nagpapapicture sa akin. Sikat na ako. Oh,
At your age, mas lalo pa.
no eh. I'm not in the habit of patting myself on the shoulder na, wow, ang galing mo na ano. I'm always looking for a better me, a better output pagdating sa acting, pagdating sa professionalism, pagdating sa patience, pagdating sa energy na nilalabas ko. I expect too much of myself. In fact, a lot of people tell me, you're always so hard on yourself kasi when I go home and I reassess my work, I'm never happy. But I think that's healthy kasi pag medyo parang feeling, wow, galing-galing ko, it might make you feel complacent. Tapos akala mo naabot mo na yung, di ba, yung rurok talaga ng kagalingan. That's not true. There's always room for improvement. So it's always nice to hear when your work is being appreciated, recognized, praised, lalo na if it's coming from your colleagues also, because they know exactly also what we all go through, the process that we all go through. So, nakakataba ng puso talaga. Talaga? Yeah, you know, there are a lot of things that I've gained from this experience, pero isa lang talaga ang reklamo ko ngayon sa Batang Quiapo. Hindi na ako pwedeng pumunta ng mall na walang nagpapapicture sa akin. Sikat na ako. Oh.
At your age, mas lalo pa.
No, kasi I've been in the business for 53 years. I never considered myself naman as a big star or ano. Basta ako, aktor lang ako. Now, parang, uy, ang dami nagpapapicture sa akin. Sikat na ako. Yun nga lang. Hindi na ako basta tuloy-tuloy na lang sa mall. Maraming hinto. Nakakakilig. Parang nag-iba. Yung, kasi noon yung, ay si ano, ganyan lang. Pero ngayon talaga, tinatawag ka pa talaga from across the hall. Or ano, tapos humahabol, Ma'am Olivia. Saka mga bata. So I get fascinated. Nakaka-flatter. I feel good about myself because I discovered that after 53 years, there's still a lot of room to grow. And right in this set, I grew just like the role. Kasi during the story conference, when they presented the character sketch, ano lang yan, si Olivia gustong mag-mayor, yun lang ang ambition niya. But I never thought na manganganak. And Olivia has come so far. Ang dami niyang ginawang to really rattle the cage. Talagang binulabog niya lahat. But at the same time, very challenging yung role. This past few years, parang ang dami nang natutulog na. Ang dami ng lazy bones in my body na ano. Even my memory is not as sharp as I have honed it again now. Kasi kailangan talagang haba ng lines, ang ano. And literally, from head to toe, yung lahat ng natutulog sa buong person ko, nagising lahat. Lalo na ito, tsaka ito. So I come away feeling good about myself because every day I am challenged to put out a lot more than I expected of myself. Masyadong mataas ang expectation from my directors, from the writers. You can't afford to disappoint them kasi creation nila yan. Pag hindi mo nabigyan ng buhay yan, it's on me. Of course, with the guidance of my directors. Si Direk Malu, si Direk Richard, si Direk Darnell, they've really stretched me all the way. Talagang as much as they can. And I just let them do it. I just trusted them and thank you for their guidance because hindi ako magiging Olivia kung wala yung the beautiful seed of Olivia that was written by the writers and the direction with which they guided me. Direk Coco has set a very high standard of professionalism, a very high standard of being in harmony with respecting everyone, being in harmony with everyone. I'm surprised about this set. It's so big, But people work so quietly and so efficiently. That's because Direk Coco leads by example. Pag tinawag kayo ng 6 in the morning, he's there before 6. So how dare you come later than him? Mahiya ka naman, di ba? So lahat kami on our toes. And he does everything. Pati pa continuity nung talent eh. Alam niya, wait, di ganyan yung sinturon mo. Hindi yan yung sinturon mo nung the last time. Believe ako. All his senses are like this, awake to the max. Always alert. He's always listening. He hears everything. He sees everything. At the same time, his mind's going, and you see it. It's just amazing. Olivia became Olivia because nakita kong inalalayan niya talaga. Little by little, Olivia grew to be a formidable character. And I'm so proud and happy that they trusted me with this role. Everything has to end. Everything has a beginning and everything has an end. Pero sana walang end yung support ng mga viewers ng Batang Quiapo. Pwedeng mag-end yung role ko pero sana hindi mag-end yung support nila. I kind of felt it now when Olivia was really at her peak na yung wala na, through the roof na eh. And you understand why they have to put an end to the character. Kasi if you stretch it, medyo umay na. Parang pinilit mo na lang. So, okay, say goodbye. Make an exit with a bang. Kasi baka mahilaw pa eh, andun ka na eh. O di, doon ka na umexit sa pinakamataas mong point. Physically, wow. At 71, action star na ako. Of course, I hope that they will still trust me with another role. I hope that I left some kind of good mark dito sa production na to. They'll think of me with fondness and with affection and with respect, which I had a lot of. Yung everyday na I'm always on my toes kasi parang this has not been a walk in the park. This has been really challenging. Pero ang mamimiss ko dito is, most of all, the friendships that I have formed. It's my biggest takeaway. Kahit mga stuntmen mga friends ko na sa Facebook, and, di ba? Kasi they took care of me. They saw to it that I'm safe, being a senior. Pag gumalaw ako, may may nakahawak. That's probably why I did a lot of the action scenes myself, because I trust the action team and I know that they're very careful and that they will not put me in a situation that will be so dangerous that I might hurt myself. Ay, may tao pala dyan. Kahit ako nagulat sa mga sinulat ng writers, sa mga setup ng mga direktor, nagulat din ako sa kaya kong gawin. Kinaya ko to. I tried really. Grabe. Ayan na. Grabing pasabog. Ayan na, nagbabarilan na. Sample pa lang yan. So, please watch Batang Quiapo.